How to install Camera Move Pro Transition Pack. First, unzip the downloaded file. Then go to the Transitions folder. Select all of the content and copy it into the installed Davinci Resolve transition folder. The default path to this folder is in the video description. That's it. Now, just run your Davinci Resolve, or if you already have, please restart it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new tutorials, tips, and new products. Here in your project, simply activate the Effects Library tab. All new Camera Move Pro transitions appear under this toolbar in the Video Transitions section. Now, just drag and drop them, and you're done. No more steps. Yes, it's that easy. Let's have a look at the next tutorial where I will show you how to customize your transitions and how to add sound effects to them.